channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm here with my Epionce skincare video for you guys. I had recently talked about some of these products in my recent skincare video, and so many of you requested a video talking more about these products and looking into, each product a little bit more in depth, so I figured I would do that video for you guys today. So Epionce is a botanically based medical grade skincare line. We recently started carrying them on Premier Look, and I have seriously fallen in love with this skincare. Absolutely 100% love this skincare line. So I cannot wait to share, more about the skincare line with you guys today. One of the things that I love about the skincare line, it is made for all skin types. So it is paraben free, sulfate free, non-comedogenic. It is perfect if you have super hypersensitive skin. It is perfect for all skin types. So if you want to hear a little bit more about the Epionce skincare line, then just keep on watching. So basically the science behind the Epionce products is they're all about repairing the skin's barrier. And our skin's barrier is damaged every single day by the sun, by the UVA and UVB rays, by pollutants all around you, by makeup we're putting on our face, by household chemicals and things we use on a daily basis. It is all really breaking down our skin's barrier and inflaming our skin. So that's what the Epionce line really targets. It repairs the skin's barrier as well as targeting that inflammation in our skin and basically just knocking it out. Because when we have inflammation in our skin, it is breaking down our collagen, just prematurely aging us. So the Epionce products are so amazing for really knocking out that inflammation in our skin, which is again breaking down that collagen in our skin, and it's going to boost the repair of our skin's barrier, which is so necessary. So there are 3 powerful ingredients in all of the Epionce products. They have the anti-inflammatory technology. It helps block the formation and activation of anti-inflammatory factors. They also have the barrier repair technology, so they will help strengthen and repair the skin's barrier. And then they also have the keratolytic technology as well. And this encourages the cell turnover with removal of those dead skin cells. It will help clear pores and impurities from your skin, and it will also help to retexturize your skin. So that is basically the key points to all of the Epionce products. So looking at the products now, they basically have their skincare broken down into 3 main sections. So it makes it super easy to put a routine together. They have their cleanse and prepare products, they have their correct and boost products, and then they have their renew and fortify products. So let's take a look at all the different products. Okay, so first we're gonna take a look at the cleansers, because again, that's going to be the first step in your routine. So with all their cleansers, the key to their cleansers is that they will, cleanse the skin, but they will do it in a gentle way where they're not disrupting any of the natural lipids in your skin, which aren't going to dry out your skin. They're actually going to keep your skin barrier healthy. So this is the first one. This is the Milky Lotion Cleanser, and this one is going to be perfect for dry and sensitive skin. This is so amazing for those type of patients. So this not only cleanses your skin and helps to take off makeup and everything like that, but it actually leaves a very moisturized feeling to the face. This is wonderful. So this is for the dry skin patients. The Gentle Foaming Cleanser is made for more normal to combination skin patients. This one does foam up a little bit. It gives a very nice feeling to the skin. Again, it doesn't strip the skin of any natural oils or anything like that. And it is a great cleanser for normal skin. Then we come to the one I'm using. This is the Lytic Gel Cleanser, and this is so amazing if you have oily skin. I love this cleanser. This is, it is fabulous. So this again is the Lytic Gel Cleanser. This one will help control the oil in your skin without drying your skin whatsoever. This is so beautiful because a lot of times when you have very oily skin and you use products for oily skin, it's actually taking out the oil of your skin, and in turn your skin is going to overreact and overproduce more oil to your skin. So this one controls the oil, cleanses your skin beautifully. It leaves your face feeling absolutely fresh, but it doesn't disrupt that natural oil production, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped of any, natural oils. This is for oily skin, and I love it. Love all of these cleansers. Definitely would recommend these. They're amazing. So those are the 3 cleansers. Again, there's one for every skin type, and then you move on from the cleansers to the toners. So there are 2 toners in the Epionce line. The first one I will go over is the Balancing Toner. And this one is for the dry skin patient. So this one is beautiful if you have dry or sensitive skin. And again, it just sets the pH and it makes your skin ready for the other treatments that you're gonna put on afterwards. Balancing Toner, dry skin. And then they have the Purifying Toner. And again, this one's going to be perfect if you have anywhere from normal to oily skin. Again, this one actually will help to reduce the shine and oil to your skin. It sets the level of your pH, and again, it just prepares your skin for the targeted treatments that you're gonna put on after the toner. So now we move on to the Correct and Boost treatment products. These are the products that are going to smooth the skin surface. They're going to target redness in your skin. They're gonna target that inflammation in your skin, and they are just going to knock everything out and give you a nice even skin tone. So that brings me to the lytic products, which you guys know I am so in love with. I love these products. There's the Light Lytic, there is the Lytic Plus TX, and then there's the Lytic Sport TX. So we'll start with the Light Lytic TX first. This one is for your dry and sensitive skin patients. This is the more gentle strength of all the lytics. So this is gonna help clear your pores. It's going to smooth the skin surface. It is going to create a nice even skin tone. It's going to knock out all those skin imperfections, as well as it helps to reduce inflammation and irritation in your skin. And that is with all the lytics. They all do the same type of thing. This is just the, more gentle strength formula. So if you have dry or sensitive skin, you're gonna wanna use the Light Lytic. And with all the lytics, the two key ingredients are the salicylic acid and the azelaic acid. And both of those, what they're gonna do is they're gonna overturn the skin cells, as well as target that inflammation and knock that inflammation out. So any type of inflammation, whether it be from acne, psoriasis, rosacea, or everyday pollutants and sun, any type of inflammation in your skin, that azelaic acid is just going to target that inflammation and knock it out, which in turn is just going to make your skin so super healthy. So next we have the Lytic Plus TX, and this is the one that you want to use if you have more normal to combination skin. And again, it does all the same type of thing. It has the salicylic acid, azelaic acid. It will help with pores, help with irritation of your skin, knock out that inflammation. It will smooth the skin surface. It will overturn dead skin cells. It is absolutely amazing product. So this is the one you want to use if you have normal to combination skin. And then we have the Lytic Sport TX, which is the one that I've been using, and this is the one you want to use if you have oily skin. It has some oil control properties to it, as well as everything else that I mentioned with the other two lytics. It does the exact same type of thing. It is wonderful how they have one for every different skin type. And basically, if you are using this type of product and you use it with one of their renewal moisturizers, you will get the collagen boost and the skin cell overturn, the exact same type of thing as you would get with a tretinoin 0.05%. So if you cannot use Retin-A, I cannot even tell you guys how beneficial these lytic products are. They are amazing. And what I specifically do is I will use my lytic during the day, every single day, and I can still use my Retin-A at night, which is so nice. Or you can use the lytic morning and night, which I do sometimes as well. So it is just like a really good thing to use if you cannot use a Retin-A, and it's a really good thing to use while using your Retin-A. You're just getting that like extra boost, and it's just doing it in a more gentle, natural way. So love these lytics. Okay, so then they also have products for sun damaged skin. These are non-hydroquinone products. These are the Melanolite Pigment Perfecting Serum and the Melanolite TX. So these you would use in conjunction with each other. You use the TX product morning and night, and then you use the serum one just at night. So these two products together will help target those hyperpigmentation spots without irritation to your skin. So these are really great. There's two products you want to use these together, and that is their Melanolite product. Okay, so then we have the Epionce Enriched Firming Mask. Oh my gosh, I have just started using this mask and I love it. It is a super hydrating mask. It helps to firm the skin. It helps to boost elasticity in your skin. It hydrates, it makes your skin feel so plump and so nice, and it really works to repair the skin's barrier again. So this is something that you can use weekly, twice weekly, anything like that, just to really boost the hydration in your skin. And it really helps to strengthen and boost the repair to your skin's barriers. And I can tell you, I've used this for like a week or two now, and I absolutely love the way my skin looks and feels after this mask. So yeah, that is the Enriched Firming Mask. Okay, so now we come to the Renew and Fortify products. So basically the Epionce Renew and Fortify products will hydrate, strengthen, and fortify the skin while reducing inflammation and irritation in the skin. Inflammatory factors lead to premature aging. So the Renew and Fortify is again going to hydrate and really work to knock out that inflammation. Okay, so first we have the Epionce Intense Defense Serum. This is the anti-aging plus repair serum. This is like a multivitamin for your skin. It has vitamins A, B, C, D, and E all in this little jar right here. So this is basically your anti-aging serum plus repair serum in one. It has the antioxidants, it has the anti-aging factors in it, so it's basically your all-in-one serum So this is amazing. Again, it's just a complete multivitamin for your skin. It's so beneficial for your skin. And again, this will help repair your skin as well. Okay, so then we come to our moisturizers. We have the Renewal Facial Cream. This is going to be the one you want to use if you have dry or sensitive skin. So this rich moisturizing cream is so good for dry skin. Again, it's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to hydrate your skin. It's also going to improve your skin's clarity and radiance and just give you a nice healthy glow to the skin. It is, again, if you use this alongside one of the Lytics, it is clinically proven to give the exact same benefits of a Retin-A 0.05%. So these are just amazing moisturizers. Again, they're going to target that inflammation, knock it out. They're going to hydrate the skin, and they're going to repair the skin's barrier. So then we have the Renewal Facial Lotion, and this is the one you're going to want to use if you have normal to combination skin. And again, it's the exact same thing, exact same type of ingredients as the one I just talked about, but this is the one for normal skin. And then we have the Renewal Light Facial Lotion, which I'm looking here and I forgot to bring it over here. So the Renewal Light Facial Lotion is the one I've been using, and it's the one for oily skin. I can tell you guys, it is just absolutely amazing. That's what I use as my daytime moisturizer, and I love it. I mean, you can use it as a daytime and nighttime moisturizer, but I personally use it as my daytime moisturizer, and it just feels so good on the skin. It hydrates and makes your skin feel so good without making me oily. And I love the Renewal. So the Renewal Facial Lotions are an amazing moisturizer. And again, it's just so nice that they have one for every skin type. So those are the Renewal Facial Moisturizers. And then they have the Renewal Eye Cream, which is pretty much along the same lines as their Renewal Lotion products. So what this will do is it will just target fine lines and wrinkles. It will actually, if you have dark circles, this is really good for like the darkness under your eyes too. It has some really good ingredients for darkness, and it will also help to boost your skin's natural repair to your skin's barrier. So this is Epionce's eye cream. Okay, so then they have the Intensive Nourishing Cream. So this is going to be for very dry skin patients. So this is a highly emollient moisturizer. Again, it's going to target fine lines and wrinkles, and it's gonna really help with those who have super dry skin, who are looking for like a good anti-aging moisturizer. A lot of people really love this on like their neck and chest area as well. So it's just a very targeted anti-aging superior moisturization product. So that's the Intensive Nourishing Cream. And then we have the Renewal Enriched Body Lotion. This stuff is so amazing. So this is a hydrating body lotion that's going to actually help firm and smooth and soften the skin all over your body. It feels so good. I love the way my skin feels on this. It literally will give you the softest skin. So I absolutely love this. And again, this will actually help strengthen the skin's barrier all over your body as well. Because again, our body is being hit by all those inflammatory issues as well. So the Renewal Enriched Body Lotion is a good one. Okay, just a few more products. This is the Extreme Barrier Cream. This is made for people with intensely dry skin. This intensely hydrates. This is really good if you have like really dry, chapped skin, if you have like dermatitis, if you have eczema, psoriasis, stuff like that. This is going to be so amazing on your skin. That's the Extreme Barrier Cream, and anyone who has like very dry skin, who just cannot ever seem to get enough moisture into their skin, this is going to be great for the winter time. If you get insanely dry, really dry skin in the winter, something like this is just going to deeply hydrate the skin. So that's the Extreme Barrier Cream. They also have the Medical Barrier Cream. Now this is for all skin types, including sensitive skin. This again is just going to be deeply hydrating. This is what they use a lot of times in the office if you have had like laser procedure, or if you had a peel done, or microdermabrasion, or your skin has just gone through some type of, procedure. This is really good because this deeply hydrates the skin, and it's good for very sensitive skin. So you could, use this if you have had a procedure done and your skin's just ultra sensitive at that time. This is just something that you can use to really repair the skin and hydrate the skin at the same time, and it's just great for any type of post-procedure care. So that's the Medical Barrier Cream. And then we also have the Ultra Shield Lotion. This is the SPF 50. This is a broad spectrum SPF 50. It's water resistant for 80 minutes, and it is good for all skin types. So this is the Epionce Ultra Shield SPF, and again, it's just a very super lightweight SPF. It is amazing for all skin types. If you have super sensitive skin, this one is still gonna work for you, and it's an SPF of 50, so that's their sunscreen. And then last but not least, we have these. These are the Essential Recovery Kit, and in this kit, you get 3 products. You get the Epionce Priming Oil. It's just basically like a oil for your skin, so it's deeply hydrating. It's just like a facial oil. And then you also get a travel size of the medical barrier cream and a travel size of the enriched firming mask. So this is like a really good kind of little travel kit that you can take with you, or if you know, just to test out some of these products. They're like perfect little travel sizes. So you get the medical barrier cream, the firming mask, and then the facial oil. So that is the essential recovery kit. So that is all the Epionce skincare products. I hope this kind of gave you a little more insight into some of these products. They are seriously amazing. I can 100% tell you guys, I am truly in love with these products. I've started using a bunch of them and I love them. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below for me. I would be glad to answer your questions, but they are great skincare. And again, this is a botanically based medical grade skincare, so it is perfect for all skin types, including those ultra sensitive people out there, which is so hard for them to find skincare. But this is all natural. It is paraben free, sulfate free, non-comedogenic. It is amazing. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about this Epionce skincare line. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.